Get ready. What you're about to see is power unleashed. These machines are carving through nature with savage force and surgical accuracy. It's not just action, it's a mechanical masterpiece that stuns the senses. HWM 650 doesn't just remove stumps, it rips them out with savage force and surgical precision. It's like watching a wild beast engineered for forestry. This machine is redefining what power in the woods really looks like. Let us know your thoughts. Could this be the future of stump removal? Trees, long trunks, they don't stand a chance. The cutter teams up with the tractor, and just like that, gone. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Brute power meets total control. A towering Douglas 10 feet long fell in Washington, not by chance, but by precision. Two lumber pros, giant chainsaws in hand, made every cut count. They didn't guess. They knew. The fall was clean, controlled, and absolutely epic. That's craftsmanship in motion. One pull and the whole stump is out. This machine clears the root, leaving nothing but a clean patch of soil. No mess, no delay, just precision and muscle. The Bandit 280 HD doesn't chip wood, it annihilates it. Steel drum spinning, 19 logs gone in seconds, leaving behind only precision-cut chips and raw dominance. One cut, one roar, and nature rewinds. A giant ripped from its roots, slammed back into the cradle of earth. Raw, brutal, unforgiving. This is the Bandit 19 XP with a winch. A machine that doesn't chip wood, it dominates it. Pulling a 16-inch Australian log like it's nothing but scrap, this beast runs on brute force and cold efficiency. No hesitation, no mercy, just raw performance. Let us know your favorite machine in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more industrial insanity. Gandini CT5100 TTS is a forest assassin, clean, fast, and ruthless. It doesn't just chip trees. It obliterates them with silent precision, turning trunks into uniform fragments in seconds. This is what modern industrial muscle looks like. The Cat 312C is not just moving dirt, it's a master of both land and timber. It first digs deep, then uses its sheer force to knock down entire trees with deadly accuracy. It's efficiency and raw power at its finest. What's your take on the strength of the Cat 312C? Share your thoughts in the comments. The Check-in Rex is a manual splitter that packs a punch without weighing you down. With a precise 15-pound cutting force, it's perfectly suited for those 10-inch logs. Compact, solid, and extremely user-friendly. It's all you need for splitting firewood at home. Let us know what you think about this powerhouse in the comments. Foley Bell Saw M14 is an iconic machine in the world of classic sawing. Its 40-inch blade cuts through logs up to 20 inches in diameter with ease and precision. Transforming raw wood into consistent planks, this legendary machine is engineered for high efficiency.
Nice, huh? Nice.
Mounted on a New Holland tractor, this root cutter rips out roots fast, all in less than 60 seconds. The hydraulic system clamps hard, lifts with steel precision, and preserves the surrounding soil. Built for speed and efficiency, this tool gets it done. This is how real pros do it: no chains, no digging, no mess. A stubborn fence post meets raw pulling power, and in 4 minutes, it's gone. Quick, clean, and zero sweat. Built for the job, engineered to win. The CBI SS20 is from the icy soils of Russia comes the Karavet K7001, diesel fury on 4 giant wheels. Built tough with a YMZ engine and bulletproof drive, it hauls, rips, and plows with brutal ease. In mud, frost, or rough terrain, this machine never backs down. Watch the Lipa TLBD 60 spin into action. Its hammer rotor chews through brush like paper, leaving the ground clean and ready. This is brush clearing with industrial force. Feel the ground tremble. This excavator tears out stumps with nothing but brute strength and a roar of triumph. When raw power takes control, the forest doesn't stand a chance. This is the ultimate wood crusher, a relentless force that devours branches, logs, and debris, turning them into fine mulch. A massive claw loads raw material onto a razor-sharp blade, and a high-speed conveyor pushes the mulch into a container, leaving nothing behind. Pure efficiency. No waste. Old-school mechanics at its finest. This flywheel splitter delivers brutal splits with a rhythmic beat, bringing back the raw charm of traditional power.
やりたいんですこの車輪が貴重なんですね車輪というか
The Oregon 28-ton beast crushes logs in vertical mode with unforgiving precision. Armed with a 24-inch stroke and 9 gallons per minute hydraulic force, it splits through timber like it's nothing. Set it, drop it, and let it rip. This machine gets the job done, and does it really well. Take note of those dual safety bars on both sides. They're not just for looks. With auto-rotating carbide saws and a conveyor that never stops, it slices, splits, and loads wood in one seamless motion. Nine tons of crushing force, the Gen 9T doesn't play games. Its 3-kilowatt motor drives a precision screw that eats hardwood for breakfast. This is industrial-grade power in a compact beast. Valtra and BioGreen Surratt take control of the terrain. They chew through thick brush and trees like it's nothing. End result, a clean slate ready for work. This isn't chaos, it's calculated power. Each motion of this forestry robot is laser-focused, bringing down trees with silent precision and unstoppable strength. The CBI 6800CT isn't just a grinder, it's a stump-destroying monster. Driven by the fierce Cat C27, it unleashes raw torque and surgical cuts. Nothing stands a chance. Meet the Woodland Bumblebee, where brute steel meets fine craftsmanship. It glides through Douglas fir with flawless cuts, turning raw timber into perfect boards. Engineered elegance, rugged precision. The Fiber 60 tear through logs like a predator in overdrive. Precision chips fly out in seconds. This machine doesn't stop. It was engineered to feed forests. The 753J, a machine that works with surgical grace and industrial strength. It doesn't just cut trees, it orchestrates the forest like a maestro with a chainsaw. Logging has never looked this clean, this controlled, this powerful. The Valve splitter, designed to crush, split, and dominate. 8-way blade action tears through thick logs like butter. It's heavy-duty, hydraulic-driven, and brutally satisfying to watch. The Raptor 800 with AHWIM 900 is more than a machine. It's a storm of steel. No brush survives, no tree stands. Just raw power carving clean earth wherever it moves. Forget swinging axes. This setup rewrites the rules. An excavator-powered conical splitter rips through logs with torque and dominance. One more saw with a conveyor, and you've got a firewood production line ready to crush through anything in its path.